Hi there, it's Olga. I keep on publishing my holiday tutorials and today's project is number 22. I'm going to feature a beautiful Hamsa die by Simon Says Stamp. It's from the latest release, DieCember 2018. Since Hamsa is a popular motif for jewelry making, I have also decided to give a jewelry look to my card. So stay tuned and I will show you how I created this project step by step. I'm going to use the black card base. This one is the standard size 4¼ by 5½, and I'm going to place it into my trimmer and trim it to 3 inches. So now it's 3 by 4¼ I'm also going to use the 2 rectangle dies. One is exactly the size of my card front and one is a bit smaller. I used the largest die to die cut this panel out of silver silk cardstock by Tonic Studios. And I have also used both dies to die cut 3 frames, 2 out of black cardstock and 1 out of silver mirror cardstock. And this is Hamsa die that is going to be my focal image. I'm positioning it on the card front, then I'm going to tape it down and send it through the die cutting machine. The idea here is to create a shaped shaker window. As always, the tools and supplies that I'm using will be listed on my blog as well as in the description below the video. Then I'm going to apply some double-sided tape all around this shaped window at the wrong side, and then I'm going to stick down a piece of acetate. And this is what the project looks like at the moment. I've used the same die to create 3 die cuts, 2 out of black cardstock and 1 out of silver mirror cardstock. Now I am applying some liquid adhesive at the wrong side. I'm using Ranger Multimedia Matte, and then I'm going to stick this die cut right inside the window on top of the acetate. I'm applying the glue again on top of that die cut, and I'm sticking another one on top. I'm planning to layer all 3 die cuts one on top of another, and this way this Hamsa image will be raised above the surface of my card. This is going to add more visual interest in, and it also makes the card nice to touch. I have used the same die to die cut the window on a piece of black craft foam, and now I'm going to apply the adhesive onto the card, and I'm going to stick this piece of foam behind the panel. Then I'm going to simply trim off all the excess foam using the scissors. Normally, craft foam stretches a little bit after die cutting and it makes it really hard to align, but this way the edges will be perfectly aligned with the edges of the card. I have applied double-sided adhesive one more time at the back of the card, and now I'm going to fill in the shaker with the 2 shades of Distress Glitter. This is Rock Candy and Spun Sugar. And then I'm covering up the shaker window with my card base, making sure that the edges are well aligned, and I'm pressing it down to stick. Now it's time to attach the frame. Again, I'm layering all 3 frame die cuts, placing the silver one on top, and then I'm sticking down the frame onto the card front. I'm planning to add a charm to the project, so I have detached one of the die cut that is framing the hand, and I'm putting an open jump ring onto it. I am also adding the charm to the ring, and then I'm going to use 2 pairs of pliers to close up the jump ring. Of course, I should have attached the charm before attaching the hand to the card, but it's not too late to do it now. Then I'm using the glue to stick down the die cut that I had detached before, and this way the ring will stay put in place. Now it's time to add even more embellishments to my card. I have found a large pink bread in my stash. I'm clipping off its legs and then I'm going to attach it with the hot glue. This hand pattern has some swirls in it, and now I am placing a small drop of glossy accents at the end of each swirl, and I'm attaching half pearls there. That finishes my project for today. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Have a beautiful week and I hope to see you again really soon.